did discuss the main door before, so your main door is your main entry point. So for this year, your main door, you would hope that you have a favourable flying star sitting at your main door. Make sure your main door is always really open, it's really clear, and it's clear of clutter. The best thing to place at your main door to allow energy to come in is the kumquat tree and the jade plant. So if you place a pot at the front door with the kumquat and jade, the kumquat tree actually is all about abundance. So every time your little orange kumquat fruits fruit and they flourish, I look at mine. As soon as mine start to flower and flourish, I go, oh, money's coming to me. Next month's going to be a good month. Okay. The jade Chinese plant is also really good to place at your front door. But your main door is your main entrance point for the energy into your home. The next area